Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to Netflix so you can sign in, and this is very easy. You're just going to simply use a QR code. So if you go to Netflix, the app right here, we can just cancel out of here. Now just go to where it says sign in and scroll on down, and we got the QR code on the left. So just go to the camera option on your phone. Typically we have an option to just go over it just like that. And there should be a little box that appears now. Just tap it and you should be able to sign in with Netflix. So just sign in with your account. You can update it if you want to. And then you should be able to continue on. Now if you don't have the option to scan that QR code, just go on down from the top. There should be an option in here for a QR code. So look for it. So you can see I have a QR code scanner. I can just go over there and just hit open. And then I should be able to sign in using my phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.